Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Spring is almost here. We're all getting very antsy and excited as the warm weather approaches, but we're not quite there yet to get out in the yard and do much. But what you can do alongside your seedling startings with tomatoes and peppers and other things you might be starting is go ahead and pot up some summer blooming bulbs. We have so many different varieties for you to choose from here in the garden center. Whether you have a sunny spot or a shady spot, we have them all. Some of my favorites are here. We have dahlias, gladiolas, begonias, caladium, and elephant ears. One new thing we have this year is this series called Patio City Garden. And what's really fun about that is they're meant to be smaller size plants for your patios and containers that you might have depending on your space. So come on in, see what we have. It's a very easy process. All you gotta do is take an old pot, fill with soil, dig, drop the bulb, and you're done. Thanks for watching.